first video on YouTube, and I decided to just check or give a trial of how to post a video on YouTube and what to write and how to give descriptions and all. So I decided to do a very popular segment, what's in my bag. So I am here basically to do travel vlogs, singing vlogs, dancing vlogs, and also intervally this kind of what's in my bag segments. So let's not delay and see what's in my bag, because this is such a cute bag. I keep a lot of things inside. Means you could see this bag looks full of stuffs. So it has two cute teddy bears in front of it, and the written here is the first with goggles that I wear. Okay, and it's a unicorn printed bag. I got this from my auntie in Bhaifota. So let's see. So what's in my... Okay, let's start with this segment. So here I keep my sunglasses, my specs, whatever you say. Like this is my sunglass. Let me show it when I wear it. How it looks. It looks so cool, and it has a nice system. I could just simply pluck it up and it becomes a normal optical, and it's such a cute one, and it is such a beautiful color. Like I could wear it everywhere. So I made this few months ago, and we are planning to travel Darjeeling this December to celebrate New Year there. So I'm surely gonna make a vlog of it. So let's see what's my next stuff. Yeah, so my next stuff here in this chain is like let me show you, like a few highlighters or markers, whatever you say. Okay, because I carry diary and I have to write also, so I carry a Robomax pen. Like I love to write, so this is the second thing. Now let's go to the bigger compartment. Tuck, and now I have to open this part. Let's open it. Yeah. So now let's see what we have here. Okay, so the first thing I have here is my tablet, because it's really needful to me, and I have such more things here, means like such things here. So I am also trying to make a video on what's in my tablet. Okay, so we could simply make it, but let us concentrate on this today's segment. Yeah, so this is my tablet. It's old model, but it works great, and it has many apps inside like games, YouTube, and etc. I'll show you what's in my tablet. So yeah, first, okay, the next thing I have is my important during this time mask, very much important. Like this is the next thing. Then I have some hairbands, though I don't need it. This hairband, then this hairband, and this. You know, I basically carry this bag when I'm traveling far, like on a flight, on a train, on a bus, like this when I carry, but I don't carry it usually when I'm going in local areas, like places in Kolkata itself. I carry smaller bags, and I have lot bags. Okay, next I have few snacks, means like I have a chips, Lays. I don't eat Lays, I love to eat Pringles, but still I have no idea except it, so I could not take anything else. Pringles are such big boxes. This is a छोटी one, so I carry this one. Okay, next thing is my headphone. Another very important thing. I have to listen many things, like during this time our online classes is going on, so I need to use my tablet, my laptop, mobiles and all, and headphone is must to hear ma'ams and tell in the mix. Next, all are my beauty products. Okay, before that I carry a book, because you know places like go, means not necessarily every places have networks. There may be some network issues in some places, so I could not get entertained using my tab. So that time I read books. I carry different books in different places. Like this time I keep Jungle Book. Okay, the next thing is some cotton buds. It is very useful because I take care of my skin. So whenever I have to apply Gulabari or any kind of other toner, kind of pigmentations like that, when I use this cotton buds, and this habit doesn't stop even though if I go somewhere out of my house. Okay, next thing is wipes. Very important. I have very less. I have to buy another. Okay, the next thing I have is earphones. Earphones. It's also important. I carry headphone as well as earphone. You know, sometimes the headphone sounds so cracking and low. So I carry an earphone in this case so that it remains safe and it saves me in many emergencies. Okay. The next thing. Another mask. It's an N95. I usually wear surgical, but you know, when I'm traveling on a flight or anything else, then I have to wear this N95 only. Bluetooth speaker because I love to hear music, especially English. Okay. Next is Gulabari because I told you that I use this cotton buds to whenever I want to give Gulabari. It's almost finished. I have another one. I will carry that in my next trip. Okay. Next I have my big perfume. Perfume is badly needed. Then I have a diary where I could write everything. I have a BTS diary because I'm in army. Fine. With the next stuff. Okay. My bag is full of stuffs. Okay. Then I have a moisturizer. A very important moisturizer. Okay. Then I have another comb. Oh, I didn't show other one. So this is a comb. I brush my hair often. Like my hair is small, but you know I have to brush it to make it grow faster. Next I have this. Another comb. It's also very helpful. Like I can just simply do like this. My hair goes like this. Again like this, like this, like this. So everything is fine. Okay. So next thing I have is let me show you what's this. Okay. So this I got from Lotus, and this is when you are washing your hair or getting a massage, you just wear it like this so that your hair remains safe. So this is the next thing. Okay. Stuffs are almost finished, but still I have few like eye contouring cream, very important. I have dark circles, so I carry this nail polish to polish my nails. Like I'm wearing like few hands it has been dissolved, and when I have to do many works it just gets up. So I have only one finger left which has this colored nail polish, this finger. So whenever my nail polish gets dissolved soon, I can just brush it up, and this is my favorite color. So yeah. Okay, the next thing I have is anti-pigmentation cream for my whole face to pigment. Okay, the next thing is gentle because I have power and my eyes itches soon, so this is the reason I usually have it. Then I have a pocket perfume, though I don't keep it in a pocket. It's in the bag. Okay, but I cannot carry my scent everywhere, right? So I carry this pocket perfume in my jeans, or my dress pocket. Like this is another lip balm which I carry everywhere. I have to use brushes and just leave it. I'm not carrying brush today. Okay. Then I have serum. Very important. My hair should be okay. So serum. Serum is another important thing. Okay, stuffs are less. Now this is eyeliner. Eyeliner very important. eyeliner. I love to give eyeliner now. Like I'm wearing now it today also. Like see. Yeah. Okay. Then I have a nasal drop. My nose is like, oh my god, I can't say it. Sanitizer. And finally I have another lip gloss, like a white one. So this is all in my bag because I don't have anything else left here, and this bag is super cute. And thank you guys. Stay tuned for my next clothes, and please follow me because this is my first video on YouTube, and I'm gonna post many other vlogs and videos on it, and you guys need to support me so that I could grow. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then do hit the like button, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Happy Diwali.